We are there. All years, all class. I am Mumu. Milla. Ferran. Joanna. Chloe. Leah. Aleix. Marc.
Julen.
Pau. Ainara. Carol. Lucía. Vega. Leo. Alma. Nicolau. Ale. Núria. Pol. Dídac. Mara. Sergio. Daniela. This year is being very different. We have to learn how to prevent coronavirus. Our teachers wear masks, and our colleagues from primary
And
secondary school too. We wash our hands a lot of times. And we also use hydroalcoholic gel. This year we can play with our friends from 3 and 5 years old classes. We can enjoy excursions. We have to stay at school. But now we are on Christmas. And we are going to write a Christmas letter with all our wishes. We hope everybody who is in hospitals will be okay. We hope coronavirus will disappear. We hope we will be able to hug each other soon. We hope to see everybody smiling without wearing a mask.